Hello and welcome to another short tutorial. I have made this because some of you have asked that how can I export a part or fragment of a video rather than exporting the whole video in VSDC video editor. Suppose you have your video divided into 3 parts and you want to export only one of them. Well, I'm sorry to tell you this, but you can't. VSDC doesn't surprisingly have this functionality. There are a few workarounds though. I have gone through each one of them and I have found the most obvious one the easiest. Simply right-click on the fragment that you want to export and copy it. Then create a new project. And paste the copied fragment. Move it to the start of the timeline and then export it. You can watch one of my other videos to see how to export in this video editor. Once it is exported, simply close the project. You will then return back to the original project. I understand that this is not the perfect solution, but as far as I know, VSDC doesn't allow to render just a part of a video. Anyways, I do hope you find this useful. Please subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and straightforward tutorials regularly. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next one.